Here are 8 A-level biology tips that have proved to be efficient based on my 20 years of experience teaching this subject. Mark the exam date and understand the exam's style and structure from the beginning of the year and plan accordingly. Number 2. Set realistic targets. Typically, you can handle 3 to 4 A-level exams in one session. Don't overextend yourself to avoid burnout. Number 3. Change your mindset. Cramming your studies, like what you did for your IGCSE exams, doesn't work as effectively for A-levels. Apply the rule of 8. If homeschooling, allocate 8 hours daily for your studies to mimic a normal school day and reserve another 8 hours for leisure and 8 hours for sleeping. Refine your routine. Identify the best revision method for you and stick to it. Ensure your plan includes active recall. It is proven to be the most effective. Number 6. Use past papers and mark schemes as learning tools. Even when you get the question right, try to learn all the other marking points. You will need them later. Number 7. Plan when you're finished studying. Aim for at least 1 month of dedicated revision before the exam. Revision is as important as studying itself. Number 8. Create short-term daily and long-term weekly plans. Detail your goals to avoid disappointment and burnout.